Here we go with the sirens off because for a weekly test. My kids are outside meowing because I think they're scared, but it's a test. That's so loud. Oh my god. Have you ever just loved hearing the sirens? To see what they hear like? So yeah, right now they're doing like a coordinated monthly test off the sirens. Right now in Springfield, Missouri, and tornado sirens are going off. It's okay, kitties. Guys, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's just a test. I think these kittens are scared, but it's okay. Nothing's gonna happen. It's just a test tornado siren. They're just trying to test it. But yeah. Have you guys like hearing the sirens? It's really cool. Let me see if that siren's going off. I don't see a siren. Yeah, I just love it. Guys. All right.